Good afternoon, guys, ladies and gents. It's June 21st, 2024. I'm here to redeem myself because I've done this video, this Japanese singing video, and I came unprepared. Now, I came unprepared again, but there's a but. Please give me a chance. And ito na po yun. Hindi na natin papatagalin kasi this is for a Facebook video. Alright. So this is a song from Voltes 5. Theme siya ng Voltes 5. You know guys, yung mga batang 80s or 90s. Yung, di ba pag matatapos na yung Voltes 5, may song doon sa dulo. So ito na yun. So guys, I don't know the meaning of this song. Ang alam ko lang is this is about parang naghihintay siya sa tatay niya, parang ganun. So maybe this is not a sad song, this is also not a happy song. This is just a neutral song, and what can be more neutral than that, than me singing this? Don't know what this means. Alright, so ito na yon. Oyani Hagureta Hinadori mo Itsuka wa Yasashi Futokoro ni Aeru Ashita mo Aru daro Danoni naze magori aeru Chichi no kage Naku mono ka Boku wa otoko da Shinjireru shinjiteru Sono hi no koto wo kono te de Chichi wo dakishimeru hi no koto wo. Yun lang po guys. Yun lang po talaga yung kaya natin, and I hope you enjoyed that, and I really need to get that off my chest, especially yung dun sa may Naru na 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 Boku wa otoko da. Hay. Hay. Ayun, ganoon, di ba ganoon yung sa mga Japanese, yung baba, mas mababa daw, mas polite. So, yung ganito dapat. Hay. Ganoon. Ayun. Also guys, before I say anything off the hook, I need to finish this video. Puputulin ko na po. Bye bye! See you soon!